Hello, welcome to the weekend. Please kindly subscribe and share. In a decision, Judge Aileen Cannon gave special counsel Jack Smith permission to limit the Trump team's access to certain sensitive material that was discovered during the discovery process. This decision, made on Friday, represents a major turning point in the legal case involving the former President Donald Trump. He is accused of 40 federal charges, including unlawfully keeping classified materials after leaving the White House in January 2021 and obstructing federal agents' attempts to recover them. Smith's request to redact, replace, or remove sections of classified material falling into two particular categories was granted by Judge Cannon, a Republican nominated by Trump to the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Florida in November. In addition, Newsweek reported on Friday, March 22, 2024, that she permitted comparable measures for the majority of another group. Judge Cannon did, however, postpone making a decision on the other petitions until the Trump team's concerns were addressed via more discovery, or by holding a future ex parte Classified Information Procedures Act (CIPA) meeting with the special counsel. Ex parte hearings, in which certain parties have restricted involvement, are an essential part of managing classified material that is sensitive in court cases. Analysts and legal specialists have been attentively following this case's progress. In response to Judge Cannon's decision, lawyer Bradley Moss said that although it's not shocking that she approved the sought deletions, the ruling's lengthy gestation is worrisome. Moss underlined that a much earlier action might have been taken to address the issue. The handling of sensitive materials in the Trump case has been greatly aided by the Sensitive Information Procedures Act, CIPA. The standards for handling confidential documents throughout the court case, which was supposed to start on May 20, but is reportedly on hold, have been the subject of discussions. According to the Department of Justice, CIPA is applicable in cases where the government plans to utilize classified material in its case in chief, or when the defendant intends to use it in defense. Throughout the legal process, several motions and challenges pertaining to classified material have been made. On December 6, 2023, Smith's team filed a CIPA motion, which prompted a response on December 20 from Trump's legal team. Following the filing of a secret challenge by Trump's legal team under seal to Smith's petition, Smith responded in a classified manner on January 30. Last month, Smith's team filed 3 more classified additions to their petition under seal after a series of ex parte sessions. The way Judge Cannon has handled the case has come under fire, especially in light of the resignations of 2 of her legal clerks in recent months. The court cited HR-related concerns in its refusal to comment on the case. To further complicate Trump's defense plan, Judge Cannon has come under fire for asking the prosecution and defense to provide opposing scenarios for the interpretation of the Presidential Records Act, PRA. All things considered, the court case involving Trump's alleged mishandling of classified material is still pending, and Judge Cannon's latest decision represents a significant turning point in the story. As Representative Mike Gallagher is ready to leave the House, the Republican Party is in disarray once again. Speaker Mike Johnson's majority might be as low as 1 vote. A heated environment surrounds Gallagher's statement. Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene has threatened to remove Johnson for his cooperation with Democrats on a budget measure. Gallagher's decision to abstain from public office until the conclusion of his term, in compliance with Wisconsin law, is published by Politico on Friday, March 22, 2024. This move presents further hurdles for the party, especially as they prepare for the November election. While acknowledging the challenges that lie ahead, Majority Leader Steve Scalise stresses that cooperation is essential to achieving legislative objectives. Another level of intricacy arises from the date of Gallagher's resignation, which occurred just before Rep. Greene's potential attempt to oust Speaker Johnson. Greene wants to wait until after Gallagher's departure on April 19 to force a vote in order to give the GOP time to choose a replacement. Delaying the vote, however, may make Johnson more dependent on Democratic support to stay in office, which might annoy some conservative members. With Gallagher's resignation, the party has seen a number of retirements, which begs the issue of where the party will go in the future. Uncertainty is increased by the departure of important individuals like Gallagher and committee chairman Kay Granger and Patrick McHenry.